Welcome back, everyone. Just a quick note here. I've gotten myself into another linear actuator that's supposed to be waterproof. IP65, I believe they said. I had this little guy running the tilt on a small solar array. It's one of these things that you might find on Amazon. It's a little 225-pound one there, which does the job just fine. I was actually running it with a 9-volt battery. It was pretty handy. But within a few months, it had ground to a halt. So it tore all apart here. Now this is not as bad as the last linear actuator that I tore apart on the UTV dump bed video, which I will put a link to at the end of this video if you haven't seen that. That one was a larger one, of course, and it stopped because it was basically full of water everywhere. It was just a large ball of rust, and I had to clean the whole thing up and replace the motor bearings. Here, the bearings are fine. There's very little sign of water in the gearbox. But when it came to the brush end of the motor, is where the problem was. It let in just a bit of water at this end, and you see the rust there. I've already cleaned this up slightly by spraying it with penetrant, but the brushes are totally seized in place here. I'm going to have to try to get these freed up to see if I can get this thing working again. And then, as before, the silicone around all the sealing surfaces. So I guess if you get a linear actuator and you actually need it to be waterproof, I would partially dismantle the thing and put some sealant, some silicone on all of these crappy gasketed areas. And then you probably shouldn't have any trouble with it. And look there on the commutator end. That's supposed to be copper colored. I like that side. And I have to clean that up. The gentle scrub brushing. I mean, it's not like I was using this for the rudder on a submarine or something. It was even partially sheltered by the solar panels. Just a little rain splash now and then. No pressure. And yet, once again, I have to finish the manufacturing process myself. So watch out for that. Sorry about the universe, folks. Thanks for watching.